Heidi ho, all my lovely YouTubers out there. Hope you're having a great day. This is Tunisian 100 millimes, whatever, 2008. I think I did one of these ones before, but this one I'm doing it the other way around. So this is going to be sunny side up on the ring. So we're going to start off with a 7/16 punch. Yeah, it's +7 there today. Beautiful day. Went for a nice walk. My girlfriend was happy. She says to me, you know, we're sort of holding manly pandies as you do in the sun. And she turned around, she says to me, "Are you happy, darling?" And I looked at her and I said to her, "Babe, I can't remember since I was as happy as I was today." I said, "I remember happy." I said, "I was happy, I think it was 1972. I got a swift kick to the backside. I was joking. Or was I joking? So, I then limped all the way home because she kicked me rather hard. But, you know, no, I'm happy. I've never been so happy. Right, okay. Let's, still off the fags. Must be getting on for 2 weeks nearly. Never a stupid time to give up, really, when you think about it. You know, I've smoked since I was in my teens or before my teens. Now I am in my 60s, giving up smoking. Bloody crazy. Right, let's break out Christy Burr. You just want to make sure there's no dings or cuts or scratches. See that? You want to cut that out. Right, that should do the job. So let's show a bit of love with Bernie. My gas bottle's on the way out. I hope there's enough on this one. I've got another gas bottle. Hopefully it will survive this coin. So this is what we're having sunny side up on the ring, according to my better half. That goes face down. Let's go over to the one and only Big Red. And first of all, let's try and find my there it is. Has it got it? Right, let's fold this puppy. Oh yeah, butter. It's nice when the coins go nice and easy. So let's get Sandy out. You just want to clean up that edge. It don't look too bad. There you go. Happy days. Oh, here again. Doopy doopy doo, doopy doopy doo. Can't seem to find any kitchen roll, so I'll have to use an old piece. There we go. Let's go to Spike. See what he's got for us. Yeah, if you're from Tunisia and you're looking for a coin ring, I've got one, honey. I've got one for you, boys and girls. I can adjust the size on them as well. I can make them bigger for you or smaller. All I need is your ring size. I don't just do rings. I do bracelets, I nearly said handcuffs. Yeah, okie dokie. Cufflinks, earrings. They ain't looking too bad. Maybe it's a touch more. I think that'll do. Let's show a bit more love with Bernie. Yeah, you can hear that's full throttle. Right, it's enough to do this coin ring. I think. Yeah, you can check out my shop, yourfingermyring.com. And if you haven't subscribed, I could really do with a love. There's a little button on the right hand side of this video. If you hit that, you're automatically subscribed. Cost you nothing, come on. And hit the bell icon and you'll be notified every time I upload a video. I do custom work. I can make you a beautiful ring. You can send me your own coins if you want. That little button is just there. I'm hitting it. It's not working. You've got to do it yourself. Come on, show me some love. The world needs some more love. All you need is love. Doopy doopy doo. Right. Let's go to the bottom end of Spike. These are reduction dies. All you need is love, love. Love is all you need. I always like Pink Floyd. Wait for the comments. Right, how's that looking? Look at that. Walls are straight. I think they're straight enough. Let's have a look with a BDI. I think I need to go a little bit back. Maybe a bit more the other way. There you go. No, it's not quite right. That's better. Straight walls. Right, have we got anything to cut out on the inside? Yeah, just, no, not really. If you can't catch it with your nail, there's nothing there. It just looks as though there is. Yeah, that's okay. Right, let's break out Kate. There she is. Look at that. She went to the salon yesterday. Looking gorgeous, isn't she? Oh la la, cha cha cha. Alright, Kate Bush isn't going to fit in. And I'm not going to keep forcing these because these are bloody expensive. So let's change it for an old Kate that's looking a bit ropey. There she is. And that should do the inside quite easily. And I think I'll keep this the Edwin look, because focus. That's where you use the kitchen roll. Yeah, the last one of these I did, I had that inside on the sunny side up, but on this one, we changed it around a bit. Yeah, 2008 Tunisian. What size did we get in the end? There you go, Alan. US, UK. These are numbers on the left, and on the right hand side it's the EU. You always measure from the reeded side of the coin, which is this side, because that's the thickest part. And we've got a size 60 and a half. Yeah, 60 and a half. But I can make it bigger, I can make it smaller. And it fits this finger perfectly. So thanks for watching. I hope you're having a great weekend. And I'll catch you on the next one. So bye bye.